I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the Ti-Nspire CX II TI and confirming firmware. This prevents surprises during advanced steps. Once on, connect with USB-C to backup documents and check for the latest OS update so features match this guide. You should set language, time, and angle units in settings to ensure calculations use degrees or radians consistently. Make sure the battery level is sufficient. If not, charge now before you proceed into document creation and app navigation. Open a new document and pick the app you need: calculator for arithmetic, graphs for plotting, or lists and spreadsheet for data. You will enter functions or lists using the keypad. Once entered, press Enter to evaluate and use Tab to move fields. Use the menu and templates to insert matrices, fraction templates, or solve commands to avoid syntax errors. Save frequently with a descriptive name and folder, so you can recall files for exams or study sessions without confusion. Now combine apps. Send a calculator result to graphs, or embed a geometry figure into notes for explanations. You can write simple programs to automate repeated calculations, then run them from the My Documents list. Once done, export or backup files to your computer. If the calculator becomes unresponsive, perform a soft reset first. If problems persist, reinstall the OS using the Ti-Nspire Computer Link utility. This ensures you recover settings without losing essential files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.